Guys.
Do you know right there? Do you know what that is?
My camera is here. Ah! Hi guys. Okay. So, guess what came? Well, you saw from the intro, you know what came, and from the title. My camera. I ordered my camera from Amazon because it was like the same price on Amazon as it was for Best Buy, but with Amazon I could get like a tripod and stuff, so it'd be dumb not to. Let's unbox this baby. Okay, so in this big box we've got some paper and then another box, which I'm assuming has the actual stuff in. Okay, round two. All right, we are in. I see the box down there. I am so excited right now. So I got this little camera bag. Just like a pretty compact camera bag, which is nice for traveling. I have like 3 camera bags from all my other cameras, but I never really use them. Like this it's just a cord, so like if you want to have it like setting up, you can plug this in to, I'll show you, but this is for the charger. This is what I was pretty pumped for. It's like one of those camera tripods that like you see everyone use, like you can like hold out and like film with. I have one for my camera now, but I kind of wanted a new one, and this like bends all over, so I'm hoping it's pretty sturdy because I don't know like where it's from, so we'll see. We'll keep you posted. I got a 16 gigabyte SD card, which I thought was supposed to be 32, but it's okay, it's whatever. SD case, and then I think this is like a flash drive kind of thing. Oh my gosh, I know what this is for. It like plugs into your computer. It's an SD card reader. That's so cool. Okay, pumped. I mean, my Mac has one, but like, that's nice, that's cool. And what we've been waiting for, there's something on it. I have been saving and wanting one of these for a year, well, like a year about. So I saved all my birthday and Christmas money, and I can't believe I finally bought it, and I'm so excited. I'm just gonna set it up here because with my I'll drop something. And as soon as you open the box, there's a Canon PowerShot G7X Mark II little like booklet thing. Instruction manual. I do know what this stuff is called. I'm just so excited. To be honest, I'm not sure what this is. Oh, I know what this is. This is like a, not universal, yeah, universal, international wall port for the charger. So it's a good thing I got an American one too. And then the camera comes in this little case. And before I open the camera, I just want to see what else is down in here. We have the little battery, which is way smaller than like my Canon T3i and stuff. So I'm anxious to see how the battery life on this lasts. Just a little wrist strap. And then the, I guess I could have taken the stuff out of the bag. So that cord that I was telling you guys about, it goes like in the battery charger. Plugs in and then plugs into the wall. So, okay, this camera comes in this little case, or this little like bin thing. It comes wrapped in styrofoam. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful. It is freaking beautiful. Oh my goodness. I've been waiting so long for this camera. Let's put in the battery. We'll see if it has any charge on it or not. I doubt it. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, it turns on. This is amazing. Holy crap, guys. Okay. I'm going to put in the SD card and then we're going to switch and I'll film on this. Guys, I'm going to show you an up close of this camera. my gosh, I almost dropped it. This is the camera, flips up. It also will like come out if you're having lighting issues. Flip up so you can see what you're recording. That's it all flipped out and everything. Oh my god, it's touchscreen! What? Ah, that is so cool. Okay, I need to put my SD card in. Okay, now I've got my battery, so I don't have too much battery. So I'm gonna switch to this camera and we'll see what you guys think. Oh my gosh! Okay, I'm obsessed. This looks so amazing! I am so excited right now, and this is like, I'm just sitting like where I was filming from the clips before. Wow, I'm obsessed. So I'm gonna try like in a darker situation. Let's try to go like somewhere a little bit darker where it's not so bright. Okay, like even here, like that looks pretty good. My bathroom is super dark, so let's go in here and not turn any lights on. Oh my gosh, it is so dark in here, and like I can still see my face. Like you can see how bright it is behind me. Holy cow. Let's go like farther back. This low light setting is amazing. Okay, my battery's gonna die, but I'm just testing out. Let's see how quick it adjusts. That's pretty quick. Like right in front of the window. And adjust. That's really impressive. And then I can change the exposure here so I can go brighter. I can go darker. A lot of my cameras don't pick up Lux too well because she's so dark. So that actually picks her up so well. Hi. I'm obsessed. Basically is what it comes down to. Okay, I am the happiest little bird ever right now. So this camera retails typically around $600 to $700. And if you look on Amazon and stuff, you can obviously find deals. Black Friday has good deals. I know right now at Best Buy it is $5.99, but I'm obsessed. I couldn't do too much of a video test because the battery needed charged, but from what I saw, it adjusts to lighting so quickly. There's like no noise in the background of pictures, and my other cameras don't adjust to low light settings too well, which I really need a camera that adjusts nicely, not only because I like to vlog, but because I use natural lighting to film my videos, so that's a big thing for me. It's not heavy. I'd say like maybe like 10 pounds. I actually don't know what 10 pounds feels like. Is that heavy? I don't know. It's beautiful and I'm obsessed, basically. So I'm just gonna be done fangirling over this. I'll definitely do a review on this camera after I've had it for a couple months. Definitely test out the footage and the way it films and everything. So I will keep you guys updated on that. I'm, of course, literally my next vlog, all you hear about is, oh my gosh, I love this camera. I hope you're excited for the new videos like I am. It's gonna be some new quality, new content. It's a good start to the new year, so let's just keep that pace going. So thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned for the next couple of videos for the new year. I kind of started getting in the groove of things like November, December, but I will be uploading twice a week, every Monday and Thursday. And that will be regularly every week. I'll let you guys know if anything's going to change there, but definitely comment down below some videos you want to see with my new camera, because literally anything you guys want, I'll be busting out because I'm so excited to use it. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. Let me know what you think of the quality difference between the two, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.